Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Arnold the Desert TV. To this video, unboxing and tutorial how to use this smooth stabilizer. This is the charger cord. And this is the smooth X stabilizer. Long press this button to make on your device. This is not fully charged, that's why it will not function accordingly. So we need to make full charge before we use this stabilizer. And then we can also download the apps which using of this Smooth X stabilizer, so that you can turn on the Bluetooth and connect your phone to this device. And this is the apps of this Smooth X stabilizer. You can turn on these apps and then press the camera button and then connect to Bluetooth and then start to do as what you want, to take a photo or video anywhere, anytime. See you in my part 2, guys. I will show you what is the function of this button for this SmoothX stabilizer